You're annoyed that you don't have any proxies or website unblockers. I'm going to show you exactly how to find 500 different ones. And thank you to SCP Wolf for this video, so subscribe to him. But basically, this is the first one, scpwolf.booteducation.com io_.sq or the long thing, whatever. I'm not bothered to say that. And basically, if you just do these on all of them, you can literally search up whatever you want and anything's unblocked. So you can go to any of these, Plexi or Arcade, I don't know how you pronounce that, but basically there's loads and loads and loads of proxies. And basically I'm going to show you the link with 500 plus different proxies. But all you have to do on all these websites is go to the three lines and then press proxy, or it should say proxy in the top right, proxy in the top left, and there may be ads like that sometimes, but don't worry about that. And basically all you do is just search something up, and this one is shadow.mcg.boats. And yeah, look, all of these links are going to be on this website, which is made by SCP Wolf. And yeah, thank you for watching and subscribe.